Miguel Moreno. As Miguel and Deloitte make their way to the stage to accept their awards, here's a little bit about their team's accomplishments. Miguel is an account executive at Impact Washington and has dedicated 7 years to helping tiny rural manufacturers in Washington State, those that have no more than 20 employees. Here's one such example that has had profound impact. Through the Washington State Department of Commerce's Small Business Innovation Fund, the team was able to secure a $528,000 grant. The initiative was focused on reaching underserved entrepreneurs, including rural, low-income, women-owned, Native American-owned, LGBTQ+ owned, and BIPOC businesses. 37 project awards were granted to eligible manufacturers, surpassing their initial goal of 32. The projects were spread across 20 of the 39 Washington state counties and benefited a workforce of 435 individuals, further proving that supporting underserved markets is an investment in economic growth and community development. Thriving small businesses contribute to the vitality of our neighborhoods, foster community engagement, and promote local culture. Thank you, Miguel and the Impact Washington team.